Hey all, it's your girl Toya from Divas and Dollies, and I am doing an opening of my 5-piece replacement cutting blades for my Cricut Joy. So I have my Cricut Joy here and my new replacement cutting blades, and these are not made by the Cricut Joy company. So we're going to see if these will be working out. Come very well packaged in a little cushion box. And on opening and taking them out, see what we have here. Yep, that looks like the size of the blade there. So we're going to take the blade right out of my little Joy machine here. And if I take them together, let's match them up. Yep, they are right at the same size there. And this is the newer one. I'm going to take that and pop it right back in the holder there. And place it right back in the Joy machine. And I'm going to prepare a card and let's see if it works. So we were able to make a beautiful card, and I just put a holographic card back to it. 5-piece replacement cutting blades for the Joy machine. They work awesome.